this video, I'll demonstrate our LEVO G2 Deluxe laptop floor stand.
And I'll be sure he added all the features you requested.
Challenge accepted, voice of the customer. I've got a lot to show, so I'm gonna move fast. First, we'll show you LEVO in its glory, then stick around and I'll demonstrate all the features. B-roll.
Ooh, you made remote working so luxurious.
So far, so good.
Oh, it holds tablets too?
Yep, just think of it as your go-to spot to get stuff done and have some fun too. Are you an artist?
My second grade teacher thought so.
Apparently, neither is our model.
I practice sit to stand.
Covered, and it's a quick adjustment.
Is she presenting a dog toy?
Somebody has to create dog toys.
Yeah, well, us overachievers like to wrap up in bed. Chill time with the movie.
I prefer YouTube, but sure.
My brother's a musician. What have you got for him?
Play on. You can also place a tablet or sheet music on the desktop.
He's gonna love this.
Now I know you requested many great features, so let's dive in from the bottom up.
2-inch furniture casters that roll well in hardwood and carpet.
Ha! But do they lock?
Yes, they do.
We shape the base like an hourglass to fit tightly around furniture.
Quick lever height locks for fast and easy height adjustment. Long swing arm, primary feature. We made the swing arm as long as possible while maintaining stability.
And now for the best part. The tilt and yaw are buttery smooth and don't require any knots.
What is yaw?
This movement. Yaw, spin, whatever you want to call it.
I see, but I don't like how crooked it looks.
Oh, just tilt your head. No.
Stands like this are almost always out of whack. So we added a leveling knob. To level your desktop, simply adjust it, reach underneath, and tighten the knob. Perfectly level.
Clever.
It's another one of our patents. Let's move on. For laptops, you can adjust the rest low, like this. For tablets and documents, you can raise them much higher, like this.
Wow. So many nice features.
You asked for them. There's still more.
For steep angles or commercial environments, we include a safety bungee that keeps your laptop secured to the desktop. Let's talk about optional accessories.
There's that word optional.
You all have different needs. The following accessories are sold separately. Our phone mount keeps your phone in perfect view. And look, the phone mount and the mouse tray yaw with the desktop. If you're a power user, you might like our second arm so you can work on your laptop and tablet together. And finally, you can swap your desktop with either our tablet mount or book platform.
I'm a bit skeptical. All you talked about are great features. What won't I like?
Let's talk about what you might not like.
The long swing arm extends nicely over your furniture, but we had to make some trade-offs. If I really try, I can tip the stand over.
Ooh, I don't like that.
It's not a huge issue. When you roll the stand, it's best to grab the top of the post. If you pound hard on the desktop, you can make it bounce. When you type normally, you might experience a slight movement. It's not as solid as the table, but again, it's a trade-off for the long extension. It's a bit heavy. It rolls easily, but you might have to lift it to get over a step.
I can work with that.
That's it. That's LEVO. My goal is to thrill you with a solution for serious work and serious play.
Yeah, thrill me, blah, blah, blah. How long have you been thrilling me?
Over 25 years.
For real?
You want to know why?
No.
You want to know why?
Okay.
We thrive on the lost art of customer service.
I have noticed
As
that.
product developers, it's our passion to work with you. If you have any pre-buy questions, post-buy questions, contact us anytime.
And I'll be back too.
Sure thing, voice of the customer. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.